friends, and welcome to Typing Club. In this tutorial, we'll just talk a little bit about how you can join Typing Club and what it looks like once you join. So the first time you log in is going to look a little differently from the other times that you log in. You're going to get a special join code from your teacher. Basically, it's just a link that looks similar to the RCS Virtual Typing Club link, but it's going to have some special letters and numbers at the end, and that will put you right into the class that you actually want to join. Once you click the link, it's going to take you to the Typing Club login page. It's important that you click Login with Google. Then you're going to enter your district issued login with the credentials, with that at rcs-k12.us. Then click Next. You'll enter your district issued password, and you don't need to enter anything else attached to that. You just put in your normal password. And then click Next. Once you get in, you'll see that you have access to different games. Most people have Typing Jungle or some version and a grade level typing practice. For our little friends, you have one option right now. Then there'll be specific lessons. You can click on the lesson to begin. When you click on an actual lesson, it's going to walk you through your finger positioning, how you actually put your hands on the keyboard, and then you're going to start with the basics and then get more and more advanced over time. You can also take a placement test, and that placement test is going to help you to know where to start. You can also look at the overview to see all the different courses, although you will not be able to skip ahead in courses. If you get placed somewhere, you have to do all of those in order. If you click on the stats area, you can see how long you've been practicing, your average word per minute typing speed, the amount of keys on the keyboard that you're covering, and your lesson completion rate. You can see from the drop-down menu the different courses you have, and then you can also have access to the leaderboard. So the top 10 typing scores in your class are the ones that are viewable on the class leaderboard. And then as you earn badges, you'll see those rewards there, and you can click Typing Club or Home. You can edit your profile options, or you can look at your username and email if you ever need that. An important feature is the accessibility piece. So you can click accessibility for low vision, hard of hearing, left hand only, blind, dyslexia, and right hand only, and click those save changes. I hope this tutorial was helpful in guiding you through how to use Typing Club. Have so much fun, everyone, and again, please feel free to reach out if you have any questions.